At Green Technology, wood processing is no longer just hard labor, but a testament to strength and ingenious technology. From wood cutters to stump grinders and biomass shredders, each system is engineered to transform raw wood into real value. Ever had a backyard taken over not by weeds, but by one giant log sitting there for a whole year? This wooden monster is bigger than a car, and now it is finally time to break it down. Watch as the operator cuts through the massive trunk, slicing it into manageable rounds and preparing it for serious splitting. Just like that, the yard is reclaimed. The Balfour SC700CNT4 is a compact but powerful firewood processor that combines a circular saw with an integrated splitting system. In one smooth workflow, it cuts logs with accuracy, then splits them directly into usable firewood. Strong, efficient, and space-saving, this machine is ideal for anyone processing large volumes of wood without wasting time or energy. The cheapo 8010C is built for large-scale forestry work. Powered by a 540 horsepower man engine, this mobile wood chipper handles logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter with impressive consistency. Its integrated crane keeps material feeding smooth and controlled, while the optimized drum produces clean, uniform chips for biomass and recycling operations. When paired with the Hitachi EX200, the Limix stump shear becomes a serious land-clearing weapon. Its tough blades cut through stubborn stumps and roots with hydraulic force, making removal faster, cleaner, and far more efficient for forestry and demolition crews. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. The hit-and-miss engine log splitter feels like a living piece of mechanical history. Built from heavy timber beams, iron gears, and raw rural engineering, it brings back an era when machines were made to survive hard work for decades. Watching it split wood is like opening a time capsule of old-school innovation. Splitting firewood does not have to destroy your back anymore. The ALKO vertical log splitter handles logs up to 150 centimeters, even tough hardwood, and splits them cleanly with steady electric power. No smoke, no chaos, just safe year-round firewood production with professional level control. The Peterson 5000 710D horizontal grinder is a true beast in wood processing. With a 1,050 horsepower Cat C27 Tier 4 engine, it devours stumps, logs, and debris, turning them into uniform mulch at serious speed. Jobs that once took weeks of manual labor can now be finished in hours, proving how far forestry technology has come. In the frozen silence of winter, the BTD Sage Spalt Automat turns snowy logs into finished firewood with factory-like rhythm. Logs are lifted, cut to equal length, split instantly, and loaded straight into a container. Against the quiet forest background, the machine works like an outdoor production line built from steel, hydraulics, and human ingenuity. The Rayco RG74 stump grinder tears through large stumps with a powerful cutting wheel, reducing dense wood into fine chips within seconds. Mounted on rugged tracks, it stays stable across rough ground and removes stubborn stumps with compact, aggressive efficiency. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. The Groenveld excavator stump remover shows raw hydraulic force at work. Its claw crushes deep roots, tears apart decades of growth, and scatters soil and wood with brutal precision. What once required exhausting manual labor is now handled quickly and cleanly by modern land clearing technology. A massive truck-mounted chipper rolls in with a huge feed hopper, hydraulic grapple arm, and heavy steel blades ready. Branches, roots, and brush are pulled into the chamber, shredded into chips, and sent out through the conveyor into a waiting container. With its huge wheels, muscular frame, and industrial build, this machine looks like it was built to tame the forest. The AF Roto 66G, proudly made in Switzerland, is not a normal log splitter. Its rotating wheel system grabs, guides, and splits logs continuously, producing clean firewood with impressive speed. Instead of forcing wood manually through a wedge, this design keeps the process flowing with less effort and more consistency. Firewood production moves to another level with the GAE 8000 and X-Power 65. One machine prepares each log with accuracy, while the Power 65 delivers 25 tons of splitting force. Together, they create clean, consistent firewood safely and efficiently. This is not just wood processing, it is controlled mechanical craftsmanship. Urban safety starts with smart vegetation control, and this Tiger Cat proves exactly why. It combines brute strength with surgical agility, clearing hazards, opening visibility. The handheld splitter turns brutal logs into simple work right where they fall. No matter the length or diameter, it tears through wood quickly, reducing physical effort while delivering pure forest power in a compact tool.
Agility, it clears sight lines, neutralizes storm hazards, and works tight spaces with calm precision. Heavy iron, perfect control, zero wasted movement.
The Archsteel KRH 70 cone splitter is small but effective. Once the log touches the rotating screw cone, the threaded design bites into the wood and forces it apart with minimal effort. Its solid frame, simple controls, and efficient splitting action make it ideal for fast, safe firewood production. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. This homemade wood splitter is backyard engineering at its roughest. Built from scrap metal, chains, and a reused motor, it looks rusty and crude, but it works. Every movement reminds you of a time when farmers built what they needed instead of buying it. Who knew a simple log holder could make cutting so much easier? With metal guides and a strong treated wood frame, it keeps different log lengths stable and turns a difficult job into something far more manageable. It is like having an extra pair of hands in the woods. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 turns large logs into clean firewood with speed, force, and precision. Every split is controlled, powerful, and efficient. This machine does not just process wood, it raises the standard for firewood production. The Cord King tumbler takes firewood work even further, with 42 tons of push force and a brutal 1/6 weigh box wedge. One log becomes perfectly split pieces almost instantly, then the tumbler cleans away bark and debris. Pure power, cleaner output, and no wasted motion. The SP7015 TRX track-mounted stump cutter delivers serious stump removal power. With a 7.4 horsepower diesel engine, 4x4 track system, and hydraulic control, it handles tough stumps with stability, mobility, and professional precision. Inside a sawmill, a giant acacia log meets a powerful bandsaw. Each pass cuts through the rough exterior and reveals clean grain beneath, turning raw timber into usable boards. But sometimes, nature hides surprises deep inside the core, and every cut brings the mystery closer to the surface. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Finally, Ryan's Equipment Biochip 20 shows what happens when an entire tree meets industrial power. This bright yellow machine pulls in full trees, tangled branches, and heavy material, then shreds everything into clean biomass chips within seconds. From towering timber to usable fuel, it proves how modern green technology turns forest waste into energy.